how you can recover your Temu account password. Now, if you've forgotten your password, this video is for you. So stay tuned till the end of the video so you can recover your password. Now, let's begin. First things first, open up your Temu. And after you open it up, this is the initial page right here. What you'll need to do is go to You section on the middle bottom. And after you do that, you'll see the sign in/register option. Tap on it. And right here, you will need to just type in your email and hit on continue. Now, after you tap on continue, you will see the password section. But since we've forgotten our password, what you'll have to do is tap on forgot password. Now, after doing that, you will just need to confirm your email and they will send you a 6-digit password reset code on your email address. So we'll just do that and wait for our code. So let us just check our Gmail now. Right there is my Temu's reset code. So I'll just go ahead and paste it right there. So I've just pasted the code right there, and after doing that, now we'll just have to create a new password. And after creating a new password, just tap on submit and your password has been reset. Now tap on continue and you've been logged into your Temu's account and you've reset its password. So it's basically that easy, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. That is all. Bye bye.